Samsung folding plan are unfolding just the way they want it. They have indeed done the impossible, as they have confirmed that Galaxy Z series is now pulling customers from other brand. We are seeing some of the updates in the camera that potentially how the next foldable phone will do in the market. The big updates we might see on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is its cameras. Potentially the front-facing selfie shooter, where we see a 12-megapixel selfie shooter instead of 10-megapixel on the Z Fold 4. And also there will be an update in inner display camera, but the pixels are not confirmed. As per the rumors, Galaxy Z Fold 5 will come with the 50-megapixel Samsung ISO Cell GN3 sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and potentially a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor, just like we have seen on the Z Fold 4. But as we are getting closer to the launch, chances are there we might see a big camera update, maybe 108-megapixel major, just like we have seen on the S22 Ultra. There's only been one real Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 leak so far, and this point to the phone having a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. That would be the successor to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipsets that power many of 2022's Android flagships, including the Z Fold 4. According to Elec, a South Korean publication, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 next-generation flagship processor. The mobile application processor is a next-generation chip that is expected to be unveiled at the end of 2022. Elec has previously reported on future technologies from South Korea companies. Samsung Electronics has fully utilized Qualcomm's mobile AP for its foldables phone series. This year Galaxy Z Fold 4 comes with the new Hinge design and a new aspect ratio, which brings down that. Samsung will not going to change the single hinge design on the Z Fold 5, because with that we get the IPXA rating on the Z Fold 4. So we might see a similar design on the Z Fold 5 120Hz 7.6 inches AMOLED display and 6.2 inches cover display. As this year we get to know about the Samsung, we're going to use a new stacking technology which helps Samsung to put a bigger battery in the same size as the rollable batteries, which means we can hope to get a bigger battery on the Z Fold 5, potentially bigger than 4,400 mAh battery on the Z Fold 4, and better charging speed 45 watt instead of 25 watt on the Z Fold 4. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.